Face negotiation theory. Face negotiation theory was created by Stella Ting Mooney in 1985. This theory refers to face as a projected image of oneself in a relational situation. This refers to our public image and how we want others to see and treat us. What makes up this theory? Stella Ting Mooney has two distinct pieces of information that define this theory for her. This is the distinction between collectivism and individualism. She defines collectivism as people identifying within a large group that is responsible for providing care in exchange for group loyalty. Individualism is people look out for themselves and their immediate families. This refers to their self, their goals, and their duty. There are multiple faces of face. Face means different things to different people. Face concern is the regard for self-face, other face, and mutual face. When asked the question, whose face are you trying to save? The answer should always be yours. Stella identifies 5 different styles to conflict management. These styles include avoiding, obliging, compromising, dominating, and integrating. Avoiding means you avoid discussing your differences completely. Obliging means you give in to others' wishes. Compromising is a give and take between people. Dominating, you pursue others to take your side. And integrating means you exchange information with others to solve a problem. There are additional ways that you could avoid conflict. These would be emotional expression, passive-aggressive, and third-party help. In emotional expression, you manage conflict by disclosure or venting your feelings. Passive-aggressive is making indirect accusations showing resentment, procrastination, and other behaviors aimed at thwarting others' resolutions of conflict. In third-party help, a method of conflict management in which disputing parties seek aid from a mediator, an arbitrator, or respected mutual party to help resolve their differences. Any of these ways of avoiding conflict can be used in your personal life or your professional life. Using any of these methods will help you to be successful in avoiding conflict in any of your day-to-day situations.